Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we're gonna teach you how to integrate Stripe into PinChat. After the integration, you can ask for the in-chat payment during your chat session directly. Here we go. Select Settings, In-chat payment settings, and Stripe. Then you'll see you need to fill in public key and secret key here. But how to do this? You can read the instruction. It will tell you that you're gonna visit Stripe's dashboard. So let's visit Stripe's dashboard and select Developers and API keys. Here I need to notify you that I use test mode here for demo, but you need to switch back to live mode as you really want to do the integration. So next you will see publishable key is here. So copy this and paste. For the secret key, reveal it and copy it. Paste it. Save. And you've done everything. Remember to turn on Stripe. Remember to turn on Stripe as an option for the payment. Make the in-chat payment easier with PinChat.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.